Hello everyone, welcome to our Mychway live stream. I'm Jessica from Mychway.
Hi guys, this is Jacob. We always waiting for you here every Thursday 9:30 New York time. Shopping Mychway Beauty
in confidence.
Our Mychway can provide ultrasonic cavitation and fat freezing, hydrofacial and microdermabrasion and LED fountain and so many beauty equipments. And we also provide customized service. So if you have any requirements on machine box and the color and the handpiece function, so just contact us. Yes, today we will introduce two belts and our cavitation machine to you guys and tell you guys how to use it. So firstly, we will open the box. You see, it's brand new. Oh, this box quality is very nice. As you can see, there is belt for V shape and there's cable and adapter. There is the LED light for the belt and this hole for the airs. So it makes your airs out. So let me help you. And you hold here and make it tight. This face belt, it has 15 pieces LED lights.
Yeah.
It's very suitable for your V face. Okay, I will connect the adapter and connect the power.
Hello guys, welcome
and
to our
now
stream.
we just need to connect the face belt.
Okay.
And firstly, we need to hold and press the power button for 2 to 3 seconds. As you can see, it turned on now. How do you feel it now?
I can feel a little warm now.
Oh, so it warm immediately, right?
Yeah.
Oh, so you feel any uncomfortable?
It's very comfortable now.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
And when you do the cavitation treatment, you can wear this belt on your face. It will shape your face and treat your double chin.
When I use the cavitation machine, can I use the belt at the same time?
Yes, no problem.
Okay. Next, we will introduce the 4 cavitation machines to you guys. And
I see these machines are similar. So yeah. What difference are they?
First, this cavitation machine has it sits in one beauty machine, and it has the 40K cavitation.
Yeah.
And the vacuum RF bipolar RF.
What this RF working RF head can do?
Yes, it can tighten your skin and leave your skin, and you can massage your body at the same time. Yeah. And it has 3 RF. First one is the body RF. It says polar.
Okay.
And the face RF. And this one is the eye RF. You can use the around the eye. So
it can improve our wrinkle.
Yeah, okay, reduce the wrinkle and make you younger, because it can tighten your skin and make you anti-aging. This one do not have the lipo laser pass. And about this one do not have the lipo laser pass and do not have the vacuum RF handle.
So today we will mainly introduce this 6-in-1 cavitation machine. Okay, we will turn on the machine and show you guys how to use it and how to test the handpiece. This handle can explode your fat cells and make your body slim and shape your body. Before you use the cavitation, you can apply some gel or body cream on your waist or thigh. Evenly the gel on your waist, then you can use the 40K cavitation and massage your waist. Yeah, so because the gel can conduct the energy to your fat layer.
Yes. Can I use the hot cream?
Sorry?
Hot cream.
Yes, of course. Yes, this is our hot cream. So you can use this hot cream match with our 40K cavitation height.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
And how long can I use the 40K cavitation?
Just as a part of treatment, cavitation treatment, you can use the 40K cavitation height for 15 to 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And how often can I use once a week?
I think you can now just use the one cavitation handle. So you have to use the cavitation handle with our working RF handle and the RF body handle together. So we just you to do 30 to 35 minutes each time.
How can I test the cavitation handle when I use for the first time? Hello guys.
So you mean just how to verify if the 40K handle working?
Yeah.
Okay, I will tell you how to test it.
Yeah.
We need to choose the 40K cavitation handle. Okay, now next set the energy.
Hello guys, welcome to our live stream.
And start it. So we just take the cavitation handle to touch the water, but do not make the handle into the water. Just touch the water. As you can see, there is a continuously buzzing sound. If you set the energy for the 40K cavitation handle, and you can hear the continuously buzzing sound. So this 40K cavitation is working now. Do you sell the handles separately if we need to replace? We sell the cavitation machine, and if you need extra handpiece, we can also sell it separately. And Jessica, can you explain our warranty to our customer?
Sure. As we offer the warranty for this machine, and as for the main machine box, we offer 1 year, and pass we offer 3 months, including the screen and all the handles.
Yes.
Yeah.
If you get any defective handle within 3 months, so you can get a free replacement. Okay, guys. Today we mainly talking about our cavitation machine. They are similar, but also has many differences. Compared with this one, this cavitation machine don't have defibrillator types, and this cavitation machine don't have working RF handle. But it doesn't affect your use. And compared with this.
Hello guys, welcome to our live stream.
It also doesn't have the working RF. So what's the next handle? Our working and RF handle.
Yeah.
Now we will tell you guys how to test the suction. Firstly, we need to make sure the cable to connect the suck for stably and correctly, and make sure this. Then you have to make sure this feeder bottle install it where, and cannot just put it like this. You have to put it inside and tight. Okay. And next, you have to make sure the working numb and just adjust to a reasonable level. Now we will set it at maximum level, and we will choose the working and RF mode and set the energy. This energy only for the RF part, and if you want to try different suction mode, you can choose the mode 0 to mode 5. There
Hello.
are 6
Hi.
modes.
Guys.
Okay, let's start it. The mode 1.
放近一点。
The mode 1 is only suction, no release. Oh, it's very tight. And the mode 3, you can feel it sucked and it will also release. And mode 3, mode 4, mode 5 as well.
And how about the lip laser pass?
Okay.
What's the power about this one?
For our lip laser pass,
Yeah.
its 5 milliwatts power.
Yeah.
It's for normal use. Our lip laser pass can reduce the fight and body shaping and anti-cellulite and improve the metabolism. Yes.
Yeah.
It has many functions. Okay. Now we set the energy for the lip laser pass. Now we set it to level 5. And you can see there is a 3 mode for lip laser pass. Just press it and start it. The first mode is continuously lighting. And second mode is flash lighting. And 3 mode is fast flash lighting.
And what's the price about this one?
For this machine, now the price is $298. But if you make order in our live stream, you can get $20 coupons. And now we will continue to introduce the body, face, and eye RF handle.
Yeah.
There are 3 RF handle. They are different size. Normally we use this 6 polo RF handle for body, like waist, abdomen, and thighs, legs, or arms. And this size, we will use it on the face, cheek, or the double chin.
Yeah.
Yeah. It will make the reduce the wrinkle and tight the skin. These 3 RF handle can improve our fine lines and reduce the wrinkle. Yes, it's very useful.
Yeah.
And now I will answer your question. Firstly, we need to choose the mode for eye RF handle. And next we will set the energy and start it. And before this RF treatment, you should apply some gels.
Oil.
Yes.
Oil.
I think we have gels to show you guys. Yes. When you use this RF handle, this small RF handle on your eye around, firstly you can apply the gel on your eye around and evenly the gel on your eye. Then you can take the RF handle, massage here for 5 to 10 minutes. Yes, and insist 2 to 3 times a week, and 6 to 8 sessions
Yeah.
I think you will see the result. Okay guys, today we mainly talking about our cavitation machine and this belt and another
Purple.
and another body belt. Yeah, today we talking about this cavitation machine. I think you guys already know how to use this machine and
Hi,
how
guys.
to test this handle. And if you have more questions, you can also you can follow our YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram channel, and also can send message on our mychway.com. Yeah. So buy in Mychway.
Beauty in confidence.
See you
See you guys.
next time. Every Thursday and 9:30, we will waiting for you here. See you guys. Bye.
See you guys. Bye.